Charles Kendall Adams was born in the state of Vermont in 1835. He became one of the most accomplished educator and historian from the 19th century. Adams became only the second university president at the prestigious Ivy League school Cornell. He was at that position for 7 years. Later, he became the president of the American Historical Association, also garnering honorary degrees from universities, including Harvard. He went back to leading a major university when he was hired as the University of Wisconsin president, which he held to 1902, when he retired and moved to sunny Southern California as a remedy for his failing health. Hiring the Donalds to build an Italian-style mansion on Palm Avenue in Redlands for $9,000 on land he paid $4,000 for. Unfortunately, Charles only lived for 13 days in his new home before passing away on July 26, 1902. His wife passed 6 months later, and the home has gone on to have several owners since the Adams, including James Edwards, who built the famous Edwards Mansion that was moved from around the corner of the Kendall House to across town in 1967. The Kendall House is now owned by Plymouth Village Retirement Community, which is part of the American Baptist Homes of the West. I have taken a few old photos of Charles Kendall Adams and cleaned them up and added color, including one of him sitting on a porch at the University of Wisconsin with some young tennis players. The Kendall Mansion is one of Redlands' most beautiful homes from a bygone era. The Redlands Area Historical Society started a program in 1975 to award the old historical homes of Redlands. The Kendall home received the Heritage Award in 1977. The following photos and video were taken in June 2026.